Hello, my name is Dr. Odonga Otto. I'm a political philosopher. This is a rejoinder on the issue of Balalo. I was doing a lot of research. I was volunteered a lot of information. But before I go far, I live in Buganda. This is my home. This is the plot of land I bought. It's a 50 by 150 meters. This is where I reside in Buganda. Many people have been challenging me that don't I have land in Buganda? Why am I against the issue of land in Acholi? Now let's get this right. Article 237 of the Ugandan Constitution gives 4 types of land tenures: leasehold, freehold, milo, and customary land. This land I am sitting on is for the Kabaka. I have a lease for 49 years. After 49 years, it reverts back to the Kabaka of Uganda. In Acholi, land is customarily held. It is held according to the customs of the people in that area. And what does it mean? It means I, Odonga, cannot sell customary land. So the political issue that requires a national dialogue is on the issue of Balalo. I was doing a research. The word Balalo has been coined by the Baganda to mean cattle keepers, to mean pastoralists. Now we are mixing 4 things here. When we use the Balalo, the word Balalo, in Uganda we tend to give it an ethnic face. Balalo is not an ethnicity, it is a trade. Now we have Bahima Balalo and we have the Tutsi Balalo. The Bahima Balalo are Ugandans who live in Ankole. This is their country. The Tutsi Balalo are those who left Rwanda in 1956 after the genocide. They're all in Uganda. Now, what is happening in the north is we have non-Acholi who have bought land and they're cultivating. Is anyone complaining? We have Tutsi Balalo who are grazing cattle. We have Ankole Balalo who are grazing cattle. Now, what is the quick fix? Yesterday, President Museveni was in Acholi and he told people to fence customary land. He told the Balalo to fence customary land. That is wrong and that is unlawful. Now, what is the solution? These Balalo spent money. They spent money in Acholi. They spent millions. They spent billions buying land which should have not been sold. So these are my prescription as Odonga. 1, all that money should be refunded by the state because customary land cannot be sold. President Museveni cannot sell customary land and President Museveni will not be the last president. That money should be refunded to the Balalo by the state. 2, all those who sold the land illegally should be reprimanded and be forced to refund the money because it is obtaining money by false pretense. False pretense. Even if they are Acholis like me, you don't sell what cannot be sold. Customary land cannot be sold. So if they have sold it and they have obtained money, hard-earned money of this Balalo, they must be collectively reprimanded and the money refunded because these people have bought air. I can assure you. You cannot enforce land acquired using money politically the way President Museveni is doing. So these Acholis should be rounded up and arrested and reprimanded. The third option, which I discussed with General Salim Saleh and is very unpopular among the Acholi, is that we allow them to graze for specific period since they have already given their money. 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, because what they want is to fatten the animals. Now this is where we need a national dialogue. We are not going to have a quick fix solution the way President Museveni is doing. We need a national dialogue as Ugandan on this. Ugandans are allowed to settle anywhere. Here I own a plot of land, 50 by 100, but you want to own 3 square miles in Acholi. So take it from me, my friends from Ankole. I'm coming to Mbarara on the 16th of December. I will be there playing golf in Mbarara. We love you, we like you, but customary land is not for sale. You can only have rights as sufferance. You can only have user rights. Thank you so much, and we need a national dialogue. God bless Uganda.